In this video, we're sharing a recording from a recent live virtual workshop where we walked through how to access LGH data from your AVEVA InTouch HMI using AVEVA reports. If you don't have access to Historian, but still need to review historical trends or troubleshoot performance issues, this method can be a game changer. We'll show you exactly how to extract and analyze data right from your local HMI. Let's jump into it.
So if you do have AVEVA reports, it is possible to connect your, let me minimize everything. It is possible to use a native driver that exists in AVEVA reports to connect to your LGH files or to read data directly from your LGH files. So what I have right here, I want to show you first that driver. So this is the driver configuration. AVEVA, and then under AVEVA you have multiple drivers. All of these are out of the box, by the way, the drivers. There's also like other brands, Emerson, I think there's one for Siemens, Schneider, Rockwell. As you can see here, there are a bunch of them. But the one that we're interested in today is the InTouch HMI historical values, which is specifically retrieving data from these LGH files. So I made sure I configured that. This is the driver that I created just to show you how the process is. You would choose the location for that data for the LGH files. And again, in my case, it's my InTouch application. And then you choose the scan frequency and whether it's a 2023 or the application is running 2023 or after, or is it prior to 2020. So all of that was configured, and I am able to browse the data from here when I'm, importing or embedding objects here in the reports. I created a super simple report here just to show you how it's done, but you guys could go more complex. So what I have here is what we call a step table. If I double click on that, these are the 3 tags that are in my InTouch, and the way to access those is through an external history server, edit list, and this is the one. This is the driver that I created, the demo_LGH. So these are the 3 points. I made sure I add those, and then you could play with the settings here. So I added the maximum, the minimum, the average, and then the time period for how long you want the report to be. The other one here is just a simple item table, and I also added the 3 temperatures. It's just going to give me a list of all the values for these three IOs or for these 3 data points over one day. So if I don't think I made changes, but let's save anyways. Sorry. And if I run the project, it's preparing the project to run it and generate the report as a PDF. All right, so this is the report. I want to check PDF and generate. Oh, it's in the background. There you go. This is how it looks like. So this is the first table right there, and this is the second table, the longer one with all the values for over 24 hours, right? So this is how you would retrieve data from your LGH files or from your InTouch application through AVEVA reports.